Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are really fine and doing really well at home. So, today we are going to do our English work. So, please take out your English book that is hands on English. And today we are going to recite our poem related to sentences. In that particular poem, we are going to see two kind of sentences, that is assertive and interrogative. So an assertive sentence states a fact, it ends with a full stop. When it ends with a full stop and when they are saying, they are stating a fact, it means we are talking about the assertive sentence. The birds are flying. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, what are you writing? What are you writing? So, whenever we are asking a question, what, when, which, where, how, so all these words in the starting of a sentence denotes that we are going to ask a question, and the question is known as interrogative sentence. So, we are going to do page number 68 today. So, the title of the rhyme is uphill. So all the sentences colored in green are assertive and colored in pink are interrogative. And without knowing this, you can guess if there's a question mark, it's interrogative, and when it's full stop, it's assertive. Does the road went uphill all the way? Yes, to the very end. Will the day's journey take the whole long day? From morning to night, my friend. So then first line, it's asking about the road. Then second line, yes, to very end. Then, will the day's journey take a whole long day? So, asking a question, that day's journey will take a whole long day. So, reply is from morning to night, my friend. But is there for the night a resting place? Now, this girl is asking, is there any place to rest in the night? A roof for when the slow, dark hours begin. And the poet says, yes, a roof when it slows, dark hour begins. When there is a dark in the night, yes, we'll stay somewhere. May not the darkness hide it from my face. You cannot miss that end. So now she's saying, I don't want to hide my face in the darkness. So poetry replies, you cannot miss that N. N means in N-I-double-N. N means hotel. Okay? So you cannot miss that N. Shall I meet other wayfarers at night? Those who have gone before? So now she's asking, can I meet someone who is there, who just passed there that place, or maybe on that same journey? Those who have gone before, yes, he says, जो पहले जा चुके हैं, then must I knock or call when just in sight? They will not keep you waiting at the door. Shall I find comfort, travel sore and weak? Of labor you shall find the sum. Will there be bed for me and all who seek? Yeah, beds for all who came, who come. Okay, so you can see when I'm saying about the question, my tone changes, and when I'm giving the answer, again the tone changes. Does the road wind up all the day? Yes, to very end. Will the day journey take the whole long day? From morning to night, my friend. But is there for the night to write a resting place? A roof for when the slow, dark hour begin. May not the darkness hide it from my face. You cannot miss that in. Shall I meet other wayfarers at night? Those who have gone before? Then must I knock or call when just inside? They will not keep you waiting at the door. Shall I find comfort travel sore and weak? Of labor you shall find the sum. Will there be a bed for me and all who seek? Yes, beds for all who come. So this is about the uphill journey. Okay, so the poet name is Christina Rossi. The poem have The poem above has assertive and interrogative sentences. When a sentence states a fact or declares something, it's called the assertive sentences. An assertive sentence with a capital letter ends with a full stop. A sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark is called the interrogative sentence. Right now, it's your notebook exercise. What you're going to do in a notebook exercise, you're going to write the two rhyming words for each of the given words. That is way, say, face, face, lace, night, sight, weak, seek. There's already one rhyming word in the rhyme. Find, kind, knock, mock, hide, side. Okay, so I'm giving one each. You can find one in the rhyme, and another one you will write it yourself in the notebook exercise. So you're going to recite this poem. You're going to recite this poem, and you're going to do your notebook exercise in the notebook on page number 68. Okay, so let's write your diaries now. So please take out your diaries. So your date is 5th of February 2021. Recite the poem on page number 68 and do notebook exercise of page number 68. So do complete your work. In next class we are going to learn something new. We are going to do page number 69. That is a comprehension related to the sentences. So we'll do this in the next class. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.